Hey, it's Armania. I am so excited because today we are unboxing my Louis Vuitton Speedy 25 bag. Now, the reason why I'm excited about this purchase is because 2 years ago, I moved to Atlanta and I didn't have a job. I didn't have really too much set up, but I was just moving out. I was moving on faith. So therefore, I had to sell my Louis Vuitton Graceful MM bag. And 2 years later, here I go with my new baby, and I'm so excited to show you all. I tried to purchase this bag in October on my 30th birthday, but they were all sold out. So therefore, I had to wait, and now it's April, and I finally got what I wanted. So here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Go ahead and take it out the bag. Ooh, so nice. Luxury, okay? Yes, this is so nice. It makes me so excited. I literally waited like a whole week to unbox this so I can record it. But yeah, so let's go ahead and unbox. Ooh, it's tied up a little. Take your time, take your time. Okay. What is this? My receipt. The lady who sold the bag, her phone number, and where I purchased it from, which is Fitz Plaza. Here we go. Let me move this out of the way. Ooh. Ooh. Look at how it is. I can smell the leather. Zipping it. This is what the inside looks like. Just turn it around for you all to see. So it does have the hooks where I can latch the strap onto it. And boom. So cute. It is a little pouch in here, a little Louis Vuitton. Little pouch. I don't know what to put in there. I can put some change in it. Leave it out. Yes, I love it. So cute and dainty. It's the Speedy 30. I was thinking about getting the Speedy 30, but it was like super big on me because I'm such like I have a very small frame.
That one is huge.
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
So the Speedy 25 was so a perfect size for me. Initially, I was going for the Speedy 30 because on Louis Vuitton's site, the Speedy 25, which is this bag, looked extra small. But when I went into the store, I compared the two, and the Speedy 25 was so perfect for me and my size. And I'm in love with my bag, and I'm so excited I've finally purchased another one. And hopefully I can get another one soon because I'm in love with Louis Vuitton. This is my favorite designer. But yeah, so thank you all for opening up my Louis Vuitton purchase with me, and have a great weekend. Bye. I didn't want to do this. But yeah, I'm gonna do